Meanwhile, defending champions Edwin Allen are breathing a sigh of relief after they captured their 6th straight girls' champs title. Shoshana McGowan has that report.
Head coach of Edwin Allen, Michael Dyke, never saw it coming, but a late surge by Heidel on the 5th and final day had the champions winning only by a mere 7 points after amassing 291 points to Heidel's 284. The Frankfield-based team was left pointless in all classes of the 400 meters and only scored a few in the 200 meters. But their misfortunes continued when they were outnumbered by the school at Ferry in the field events finals on Saturday. So what accounted for the close call for 6-time champions?
Well, I know for sure our 400 really needs some serious strengthening. But overall, I think we have been doing very well. It's just the fact that we had some mishaps here and there, which allowed the championship to look that close.
Edwin Allen's sprint sensation Kevona Davis took the girls' Class 2 sprint double in fine style. Davis won the 100 meters on Friday night in 11.19 seconds, just outside her record of 11.16 set last year. She turned out on Saturday and won the 200 meters in 23.21 seconds. Her Class 2 4x100 meters relay team took gold, but Davies was a no-show. Davies started her campaign smoothly, but as the championships continued, a few bandages were seen on her knee and hamstring. But Coach Dyke said there is no need for panic.
Kevona is okay. She felt a little tightness in her hamstring, so we decided to withdraw her from the relays. But she's okay and ready to run whenever another time comes around.
Heidel's remarkable championships closed off on a high note when they took gold in the girls' mile relay. Heidel's co-captains Ashanti Moore and Cherokee Young shared Class 1 Girl Championship title, while Talia Wilson and Rihanna Phipps took female overall champion. The athletes will next return to the National Stadium on Friday to Sunday for the character trials. Shoshana McGowan, TVJ Sports.